Well, here we are. It is Wednesday, April 16th, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor, and you know what? I made a mistake yesterday, which cost me about 5% of my portfolio today to bring me to $70,000. It hurts, but here's what I'm doing about it. And here's what I probably did wrong today. Keep watching if you want to find out. Today, I made two trades, and I didn't do anything really with my registered disability portfolio. What I worked with was my tax-free savings account, because I use that for more short-term investing, like 1 to 3 years. I moved some money around. On Monday, I started the process of divesting from an overconcentration in American stocks. And I didn't finish the job with my tax-free savings account until today. And, I'm stupid because today everything sold off. It started last night for us here in Canada when ASML, a chip manufacturing supplier, reported disappointing earnings, and that started to sell off of their company. And then it came to light that the Trump administration was going to bar NVIDIA from selling a chip that they had specifically designed to sell into the Chinese marketplace. They told them they couldn't do that. So as a result, NVIDIA sold off about 7% of its value today. And I guess it was contagious because the rest of the market, as you'll see, was pretty much a sea of red today. So, what could I do? I sold those. I sold 5 whole shares of a holding called the Vanguard Total U.S. Stock Market Index Fund, which was hedged in Canadian dollars, VUN, on the Toronto Stock Exchange it is. And I sold that, and I bought VDY, which is Vanguard High Yield Dividend Index Fund, which focuses on Canada, which, out of my ETFs, the ones that weren't in the U.S. did the best today. So what are you going to do? So I sold that and I bought that. I think the mistake that I made, or continue to make maybe, is that I'm too invested in NVIDIA. I have about 50 shares of the company right now, and I've seen it drop in value from around $9,000 to right now it's around $7,500. But I'm retaining those because I believe that, without any evidence, but I believe that AI is the future, and NVIDIA is a key supplier to that future. If only they can be a supplier to China, shareholders just continue to do well. I guess we do well without China, but not as well. So, anyways, the two things that kind of put the brakes on my portfolio dropping more than it did today were some put options that I have on both NVIDIA and Tesla. And those increased in value today, while everything else pretty much tanked. It'd be too easy to just blame Trump for this. I mean, the administration is doing things that are kind of upsetting the global order. But, I got to take responsibility for not being more diversified and not following my gut. Earlier in the week, when I thought, I don't like what's going on in the States, I want to have less exposure. I suppose, it could have gone the other way today. We might have had a rally, but that's what happened. So, as a result, I'm at $70,000 today. And that is a drop of about $5,000 since yesterday. Hurts. But anyways, it is what it is. So, Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good trading session. Please tell me what you did today, if anything, with your portfolio. Did you do anything that helped slow the bleed? Did you sell? Did you buy anything? Please comment below. And let's try and help each other do better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.